Clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Chitravarma was the most famous painter in Sri Krishna Devaraya's court. The emperor was pleased with Chitravarma's paintings. People also liked his paintings. One day, Chitravarma was busy painting. Then Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya happened to visit him.
Welcome, Your Majesty. Oh, what a beautiful picture! It looks so natural. Yes, Your Majesty, really, it is wonderful. No painter on earth can complete with you. Chitravarma, you are a unique painter. You shall be rewarded. What do you say, Ramakrishna? Yes, my lord, such an artist he is. He deserves your encouragement. That's great. Let him ask for anything. He shall get whatever he wants. Thank you very much, Your Majesty. It's all your affection and encouragement. Your presence in the Council of Advisors will be a boon to the Vijayanagara Empire. I am afraid I am not, Your Majesty. Your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants. No, a great painter like you should be rewarded in a fitting manner. Your Highness is merciful. You will be my chief advisor from today onwards. What? I cannot understand. How I am blessed, Your Majesty? Excuse me, Your Majesty, he is talented in painting, but would it be a right decision to make him? The Emperor of Vijayanagara knows what is right. Minister, please make announcement that Chitravarma will be the chief advisor hereafter in our court. Yes, Your Majesty, I will make announcement in our empire. Your Majesty, you know that I have been blessed with a baby boy. I will be happy if you visit my house for my boy's naming ceremony tomorrow. Oh, wonderful. It's my pleasure, Ramakrishna. Welcome, Your Majesty. We are grateful for your visit. Please bless my son. Dirgayushman Bhava. This is a token of my love.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. You are requested to join us for lunch. Oh, water, water. Give me water, urgent. Oh, God, water, water. Hey, Ramakrishna, what's this? Horrible dishes. It's too spicy, too salty, too. Not cooked properly. It is undercooked.
Who cooked this? Is this the way to cook food? Do you want all of us to die? Please forgive me, sir. Let me introduce the cook to you. Bring him at once, or you will be punished. This is the best carpenter in the Vijayanagar. He is a brilliant worker. I gave him the task of cooking for today. Are you crazy, Ramakrishna? He may be an excellent carpenter. How can he be a cook? Pardon me, Your Majesty. If a painter can be your chief advisor, why can a carpenter not be a cook? Ramakrishna, you opened my eyes. You made me realize my mistake. I was afraid to say no, Your Majesty. I am very thankful to you if I am sent back to my previous job. Minister, make necessary arrangements to send him back. Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
All the people assembled there hailed Tenali Ramakrishna for his presence of mind.